Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Makeup Fun with Olivia. Today we're going to be talking about a subscription box that I found through another YouTube channel. The channel's name is Mayor of All Trades. I will link her channel down below. She has all these other great videos about, one of them is Imperfect Foods, which I'm going to share with you in a second, but she also has jewelry, Sephora, Costco hauls. I mean, she has it all. So go check her down below. Tell her I said hello. She has no idea I'm mentioning her. But anyway, I found one of her videos about Imperfect Foods, and I signed up through her link because I thought it was such a great deal. I've been on it for 3 weeks now. What is it? I guess I didn't know that a lot of foods go to waste. Foods that are considered ugly or not perfect, not pretty, the grocery stores won't buy them. You know, if a carrot is a little bit twisted, they know that people won't get that twisted carrot, but they're still good. So what happens is a lot of this food goes to waste. I didn't know it went to landfills. So Imperfect Foods decided to make a deal with local farmers or whatnot companies so that they don't throw that food away, and they started this project. It's available all over the nation in certain places only. It's not available everywhere. So I got lucky that it was available here in California, but if you're interested, I will put a referral link down below, and check to see on their website to see if it's available in your area. First of all, let me tell you a little bit more about it before I jump in. They have a little quote on their website that says groceries on a mission. They're on a mission to save foods and to use sustainably sourced foods. I read that it helps reduce food waste, which I just mentioned, delivered for up to 30% less than the national supermarket chains. I really like that, and I do find that it's very much true. One of the things that I like is that you can get organic foods if you choose. You can get meats even, because they have dairy, they have some meats, they have snacks. When you sign up, so let's jump into how it works. When you sign up, you choose what packages you want, meaning do you want dairy, do you only want produce? It doesn't cost anything to make those choices. They just kind of want to know what it is you're going to be ordering from them. So I chose everything because I didn't know. But my main thing was for groceries, for fruits and vegetables. Yeah. So you answer this little thing and you make your choices, and then you get to let them know where you are, and they let you know, are they available there or not? For me, they were. And then you go shopping online, and it was a little bit confusing for me at first, because I found that they put stuff in there based on the packages that you choose. So they put some dairy in there, they put suggestions in there, but from that grocery list, you can delete, remove anything you want, and you can add anything you want. So I found that they have, sometimes they have fish. Sometimes they have salmon, which isn't farm salmon. They have cage-free eggs, things like that. And you could choose to get the regular ones, or you could choose to get the cage-free ones if they're available. Actually, they tell you, when you tell them what location you're at, they'll tell you, oh, this is the delivery day for that area. And if it works for you, you can sign up. For me, it's Fridays. And that works out perfectly because I like to make soups on the weekends. And so I like to use that fresh the vegetables and all of that, so that they're not sitting there all week while I'm working. So I really do like the Friday delivery. Now, the first time I got my order, I was a little bit confused. I had a lot of questions. I didn't read the FAQs. I read enough that I knew I was excited about it, but later on I found out that, for example, if I get my groceries on that Friday, then because I was so excited, I logged back on to kind of start shopping for the next week, and you can't do that. So they sent me an email saying the next time you can grocery shop is, and so I can shop from Monday to Wednesday at noon. Those are my shopping times, and I have to make sure that the shopping list that I want is set up by Wednesday at noon, because after that it closes, and then it's closed until Friday when they deliver it. And so they deliver this big box to my front door, and I was really stressed that first week, thinking, when are they going to drop it off? What if I'm not here? What if I don't realize it. They send you a text letting you know, okay, we've left, we're on our way. So that could be a couple of hours. And then they send you another text saying, we just delivered your box. And so I find that so helpful because even if I'm here, I live in a townhome that's 3 stories. So sometimes I'm upstairs, like right now, my bedroom is upstairs. And so if they send me the text, then I just run down and I go get it, which is really helpful. I know, and it also helps when they let me know, okay, we're on our way. So that way I can judge. Can I go do something? Can I not? It's really helpful. They communicate with you. And that wasn't really apparent when I first signed up. I also like that they have different items like portobello mushrooms, or this week we have, steak or something, and when you click on the item, it'll tell you why they have this on sale this week, or why not on sale, but why it's available. It could have been that an order through this nice restaurant fell through, and so now, the person who was delivering this order, now they're stuck with all this shrimp or all these, or some of the salmon or fish. The cuts aren't perfect for the restaurants, and so those leftover cuts, they're still good. They're still quality fish, but the restaurant didn't want that. So here we go. They sell it to Imperfect Foods, and Imperfect Foods passes it on to us for a lower price, which I really like. So every week they also have different items. So anyway, without further ado, I'm going to show you my third box so that you can see what it looks like. Oh, and for us now, I did read for some areas there is a minimum of $30. It depends on your area. My area did not have a minimum, but they do have, if you buy at least $60, you get free shipping. You don't get charged for the delivery, not shipping, but it's a delivery fee. And I want to say it's like maybe $10, $10, I don't remember. And when I did my first order, I realized I was like at 55, and I thought I'd rather get those $10 of more produce or more fruit. And so that's what I've been doing. I've been getting about $60. I believe this box was $65. I went a little bit over because now I'm getting to know it, and I'm like, oh, let's try this. Let's try this like sharp cheddar cheese that they have. These slices look really nice. So I've been adding a little bit more, but yeah, so this is my third box that I'm about to show you. If you're interested in seeing more boxes, let me know and I will be happy to share them with you because it does change up a little bit. All right, so keep on watching. Okay, so the top of the box says 40% of the food in the US goes uneaten. $218 billion in food is thrown away every year. 21% of freshwater supply is used to produce wasted food. And I kind of took that one off, so I'm not sure what it says. Let's jump in. Let us know what you make with your order. Tag us on Instagram at Imperfect Foods. I might do that. You can't beat, as in beets, get it? That new box smell. Okay, so some of it's starting to fall out. I think this opened up and I have some tomatoes in with the strawberries. Yum. I'm gonna put this over here. We've got some apples, some nectarines, some tomatoes. They're all kind of thrown in together. So it's not, the most perfect. I mean, they're called imperfect for a reason. We got portobello and we got, I need my glass. So some portobello mushrooms. We got some, I think 2 boxes ago. They were so good. Oh my God, we love portobello mushrooms. And then baby bella mushrooms. We We got some broccoli. Oh, I don't remember adding this. Was this free? Or maybe I added it to try them. Imperfect Foods Stone Ground Yellow Corn Tortilla Chips, Non-GMO Project, USDA Organic, and I have 2 of these. I really don't remember. Maybe at the last minute I decided to just add them in. We have cantaloupe, avocados, snap peas. Hubby wanted some to make a stir fry. Some Bear Baked Crunchy Sea Salt Beet Chips. I don't remember adding. I'm wondering if they just threw them in because they just don't want to throw them away. I need to look into that because I really don't remember adding those things. I mostly use this for fruits and veggies. Onions, pears, peaches, apples, cauliflower. I love cauliflower. Some organic mini Persian cucumbers. More pears. Some mandarins. And then we did get some meats. We got some chicken breast. We got some organic thick cut oven roasted chicken breast to try it out. We've gotten the boneless chicken breast, no antibiotics ever. We've gotten those before and we really do like them, and this is chicken breast. We've never tried that. And that comes in like a separate bag to keep it cold, and 1 more tomato. And that's it. All right, so that was my 3rd Imperfect Foods box. What did you think? I don't know about you guys, but prices in San Francisco, in the San Francisco Bay Area, are expensive. So this is a really good deal for us. Not only that, we don't have to go and spend a couple of hours out there shopping for this. You know, it's delivered to our doorstep, and that is just amazing. I really love that. I look forward to Fridays because of this box. So let me know what your thoughts are. And like I said, if you're interested, the referral link will be down below. I think I get a discount. I think you get a discount too. I think you get $5 or $10 off your first box, and that's what I did. But if you don't want to use a referral link, you don't have to. The website will be linked down below as well. You can go directly that way. But if you are interested, I would use a referral link because you get money off and I get money off. But it's up to you. All right. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this, and I will talk to you later. Bye.